Yo, sit down. Yo, Chloe. I'm trying to cut this pineapple.
Bro, you don't cut it like that, bro.
You're going to destroy that.
No.
How do you cut the pineapple?
Definitely not like that.
Yeah, you're doing an Instagram story, yeah?
Yeah. I'm getting it. I'm getting it.
Chop.
We need to stop doing it like that.
Oh.
I think maybe we need to do like this part here.
Yeah. Oh,
that's
you put
quite
it.
hard.
You put it. Oh, you put it at the side.
Yeah, I think so. Hold on. Actually, I seen something about cutting out these little corners or something.
Yeah.
That's quite hard to try.
Oh,
to
you
cut it out.
slosh it like the cut. Oh, let me try.
Yeah, I don't think I can.
So you just go. No. Show me.
I mean, it is
How do
cutting
you
it.
cut a pineapple?
You gotta saw it a little bit.
Okay. Oh, you saw.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm trying to cut it into
I
four
mean, you can't
pieces.
hack it like that unless you're working
Yeah.
in a farm or
Okay,
something.
I think I got it. I think I got it. Let me try. So it's the second. No, that didn't work.
I mean, it is cutting it up.
Show me. How
but-
to cut it
You're an
into four
animal.
pieces.
I mean, it's not looking like it's restaurant ready though. You know.
Definitely not like that. Oh my gosh, guys. What are you doing? I don't even think we can.
Oh, that's how you cut a pineapple. You're getting it for the Instagram story.
Yeah, sure. Is that the right type of knife to use? That's a very dangerous knife for a
I can
pineapple.
really cut through this. I'm not
Feeling a little
strong
bit
enough to
restless
cut
right
through
now.
the floor.
Oh, I see.
Oh my
Go,
God.
give me that,
I
right?
can't
So
do
you're
it.
going to just chop.
Whoa.
No, what?
Oh, but bro,
Is that
you
not how you cut a
meant to do it
pineapple?
so. Oh!
I did it.
Oh my gosh.
Into pieces.
Yeah, bro, that's a very sharp knife. Be careful, bro.
Julius, you've asked for my help, okay? I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm sure as hitting my
Oh,
hand
that's how you do it.
Here we go. Look.
There we go.
Okay,
Oh,
so
I
it's two
see.
pieces.
I got it. Okay, so what it is, right? To cut the pineapple, you go smack.
Yeah, that's
Go
it. Yeah.
smack.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Go.
Be careful.
No, careful. Come on.
Look at you, just throwing this
Just
everywhere.
bam, chop it up into nice,
Oh my god.
big.
You
I
were
got it.
crazy with that thing.
Oh my gosh!
Come on.
What?
This is obviously fake. You don't
What
fully
do you mean? That's not fake. That's real.
It is,
Touch it.
obviously
That's
it
not
is.
real. That's
What are you
real.
talking about? Hello, you think I'm stupid?
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so good.
There's been a lot of people making fake Instagram accounts. Make sure to follow my real Instagram at Julius Dean. The rest are fake. Don't follow them.